Hey guys, QG Collectibles back here with another video, and today we're opening up another hobby box of 23-24 Series 2 hockey. Hunting Bedard one more time. Yeah, I mean, it's Bedard or bust. Like from our last box, we got two of the cards in the background there, the Poitras Young Guns and the Cale Makar highlighters. Like, those cards are great, but they just don't cut it. You just have to get Bedard in this product. So, yeah, I mean, let's get into it. All right, guys, the box is open. Let's get into this pack opening. So first pack. All right. Credentials, Darcy Kemper. This is the Sparkle. Or Credentials. Instinctive, I don't know why I say Credentials. Alright, Anthony Duclair Canvas and a Samuel Bolduc Superstar Honor Roll. Our base. AJ Greer, Director of Boards. Zach Benson, Young Guns. Okay, that's a good name. Doesn't pay for the box, but definitely a good name. And a Moritz Seider Canvas. Man, I'm saying all the wrong things today. All right. Next pack. Instinctive, Sergei Bobrovsky. Damien Giroux, Young Guns, and an Anthony Beauvillier Canvas. All right. 2 Young Guns down. We got 4 to go. Come on. Johnny Gaudreau, PCs, Sparkle. Artemi Panarin, UD Canvas. And a Milos Kelman Superstar Honor Roll. Matthew Olivier, Director of Boards. Deep Roots, Jamie Benn. Yaroslav Askarov, UD Portraits. Okay. Manny Beniers, PC. Deep Roots, Sidney Crosby. Tristan Leno, Young Guns. Another good one. Like, he's been out all year from injury, but he has some good upside. Connor McDavid, Monster Season. Patrice Bergeron, PCs. And a Clayton Keller, Portraits. Come on. Give me something. Dazzlers, Luke Evangelista. Instinctive, Alexander Georgiev. And a Lucas Condotta, Young Guns. Not great. We got 2 more chances left with the Young Guns. Ecliptic, Jared McCann. Deep Roots, Mika Zibanejad. And Yaroslav Askarov, Superstar Honor Roll. Okay. Come on. Right open. We have an Outburst, but it's not a Young Guns. Hunter Shepard, Young Guns. Ryan Strome, Outburst. and Instinctive Jacob Markstrom. One more chance. This is not going great. Shane Wright, highlighters. Orange. Connor McDavid, PCs. And the Young Guns of Damon Hunt. Leon Draisaitl, Ecliptic. Matt Murray, black and white canvas, that's cool. And a Luca Evangelista Superstar Honor Roll. Struck out again, but at least we tried to get Bedard. It's unfortunate. Yeah, first box was definitely the better one. I mean, we got Zach Benson, which was at least a good Young Guns to get, but overall, struck out heavily. So, oh well. So unfortunate. Yep. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get Bedard, but yeah. Stay tuned for the next pack opening, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.